Let's take a look at one of Kenny Rogers' former mansion that's in Atlanta, Georgia. Are you a deep-pocketed Atlanta buyer who loves country music? It sold back in March of 2009 for $3.1 million. It struggled to sell for a few years but ended up selling for $1.5 million in 2012. Most recently it sold for $2.4 million in 2018. This gated Mediterranean villa was completed renovated by its current owner. Upon entrance into the grand entry, it opens up into a library, a salon and a great room. The luxury master bedroom retreat has his and hers dressing areas with more closet space than I'll ever need. There are French doors to the outdoor terraces that will make you feel like you're in the French countryside. The gourmet kitchen and breakfast area connect to an office and conservatory. A lavish theater is inside the home which seats 9 of your closest friends and family. There's even a bright terrace level with a media and recreation area. Is there a caterer's kitchen? Yes, there is. There's also an exercise room, a sauna/steam/whirlpool spa, and private pool. It also comes with an outdoor sports court for the kids. The garage has a full apartment above it if you were curious. We're going to let you just watch and enjoy the rest of the video. If you like this kind of video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more.